Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you yet another box of bulbs. This is a whole bunch of bulbs that my dad recently picked up at a online auction, and so let's go ahead and see what's inside. So a big thank you to him as always for finding these things. It's always a joy to go through them and share it with all of you. So let's see what we can find. Well, right off the bat I see some soft white bulbs and some bug light bulbs and CFLs and value bright. So let's go right in the middle here. Here we have a rough service 100 watt incandescent. Saw one of these in one of the other box of bulbs recently. This one's in much better shape. Okay. What is this one? Oh, another one. This one is 100 watt as well. That must have been the date they purchased it. Let me set those aside. This one's in a different package. Yeah, it's another rough service, but this one is 75 watts. Same kind of etch. I'm sure it has the same kind of cool filament going on inside. But I like that packaging. That's pretty cool. Here we have a three-way Sylvania, and looks newer because it has the lumens on it. Box is a little messed up, but I'm sure it's fine. Okay, look at this old thing. This is definitely old. I remember buying one of these in a 60 watt equivalent a long time ago at Shopko. This is obviously the 75 watt equivalent, but just look at the size of that ballast and spiral versus like these that are more modern. What are these here? These are 100 watt equivalent. Definitely a big difference, but I prefer this one all day. I'm sure it has full mercury content, so it gets up to full brightness nice and quick. Looks like they got it back in 2003. Now, these people certainly like to write all over everything. Very cool. Still in its package. That's pretty neat. And since we took a look at these, some Fight Electric Eco Bulb Soft White 100 watt equivalents look very similar to the Sylvania offerings that we saw in the other box of bulbs. Brand new. Oh, wouldn't you know it, it's another one of these. Another rough service 100 watt. Kind of see the filament in there. We have just a standard GE 75 watt incandescent with the really light coating of deluxe white or basic on the inside. Doesn't look like it has any hours on it because the filament looks in pretty good shape. Got some bug light bulbs here. 2004 Sylvania 100 watt. Looks like there's not a bug light bulb in there as well. What is this? Feels kind of heavy. Halogen, 72 watt halogen. We got some GE bug lights here. 2003 it looks like. Let's see what's inside, since the other one had something different. Well, I can't get it out. Anyway, there's our GE. Let's see what's on the other side. Oh, this is definitely not the same. Look at that price stamp. That's cool. This is a Westinghouse. Does it say Bug Away? Westinghouse 60 watt USA. That's pretty cool with the price stamp on it too. They wrote used on it. Maybe it still works. I'll have to find out. Very cool. Maybe they wanted a slightly brighter bug lamp or bug bulb, so they replaced it with this 100 watt offering from GE. and thankfully decided to keep the really cool old Westinghouse. I'd like to get this package back in here, but you know, it's really hard. One hand. There we go. Okay, we got some fire-shaped bulbs here, as I like to call them. 40-watt frosted. Pretty cool in their older GE packaging here. Well, of course, there's more underneath. What do we got over here? This is a Value Bright. Well, there's two different bulbs in there. I bet you this one is the original, and this one's probably a GE or something. Doesn't really say, but just looking at the construction, this has to be the original one. And it fits the package too. Value Bright. Is that an Angelo Brothers company thing? Nope. Interesting. What do we got here? A halogen. 100 watt. Soft white halogen. Very cool. Some candelabra base chandelier bulbs, GE 60 watt frosted. Looks nice, especially the old packaging, that's cool. Here's some more. Oh, that one fell out. Same thing. $100-watt double life, Sylvania. What's this? Ooh, that's an old package. GE bent tip crystal. Ace hardware. Very cool. Nice old packaging. Well, here we have a bag of bulbs. Some flame-shaped ones and some fire-shaped ones. Kind of a mix in there. They all look like they're GE. Oh. Here's some more 40 watts. But what are these? These are frosted, obviously. I don't know why I couldn't remember the ones that we were just looking at, but frosted. Got some more of the white fire shaped bulbs. I'm sure they're all GE. They seem to usually be. Oh, and more of them. They must have really liked these. I don't know if they came in any other wattage than 25 and 40. Those are the only ones I've ever seen it in. Or seen those in. Some C9 clear Christmas bulbs. Same thing, different brand. These look brand new. Brand new R family. 72-watt halogens. It looks brand new to me. They're definitely in there. I can feel it. Oh, some Great Value brand. 100-watt LED equivalents. They're definitely in there. It's heavy. Interesting. I haven't tried theirs before. Shatter resistant. I noticed they put that on all their LEDs that are plastic. Well, what do you expect? It's plastic. Okay. Here's a bulb socket and a bulb. Not sure what kind of bulb. I don't really see an etch on it anymore. Okay, we got some others here. This is a GE Plant Grow and Show. I believe they still make these, actually. Should be 60 watt. This is cool. One of the old halogens with the really thick glass. What's this one? This one's 100 watt. Very cool. I wonder if it's one of those that has a little diode or whatever in the bottom. Ah, and a wonderful T-shaped incandescent. Ooh, Philips. Look at that big etch. 100 watt Philips soft white. Very cool. I always love the shape of these bulbs. Okay, and then we got some electrical parts down here, it looks like. These boxes always come in handy. I use them often. Some outdoor rated electrical boxes and some plugs to plug the holes. That's cool. A bunch of plates still in their little baggies. Ooh, there's one of them with the ribs on it. Oh, come here. That's nice. And all metal one, it looks like. Actually, because they're talking about lamp watts, it must have had a, you know, a socket with a cage type fixture on it with a globe. I bet that's what it was. Well, anyway, that's our box of bulbs. And this is what was inside. So, pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed, and also please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.